I tried this one, and I've even tried this one. But today I have a little surprise. I stepped up my game and I got this Traxxas original #1 OG Bigfoot. Let's open this up and have a little fun with it down by the creek. That is very impressive.
Wow. Wow, cool.
Oh no, because I'm not a Bigfoot fan. Nope, not at all. Nah, I don't know. Oh wait, yes I am. I've been waiting forever to open this truck, and today's the day. We're gonna open this up, take a peek at it, and we're gonna head to the creek. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are. Here we go. Let's get a little closer look. Some nice styrofoam. Wow, there it is. Let's pull this out. Set it right there. See what else is in this box. Cool accessories and stickers. And then at the very bottom of the box is this super sweet remote control. Here's the body of the truck. Just a beautiful monster truck. Nice soft rubber tires. There we go. Now let's put the top back on. We have the lights on top of the roll cage, which I will get on. And we have multiple accessories. Little toolkit, yes. We have some stickers. Let's take a second and just admire this truck. It's a beautiful Traxxas Bigfoot with the blue body that has that chrome engine sticking out of the top, has a chrome roll bar, awesome shocks, and I love those chrome wheels. Let's get this thing together and take a little drive. The power and the suspension on this thing is unreal. Here we go. Look at that truck. That is an amazing Bigfoot. Let's see what it can do down here. This thing is incredible. Watching, everybody.